Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see which milk is good for weight loss, its benefits, types of milk with a simple weight loss recipe. Let us start. Everyone dreams of a slim and healthy body, but to walk with the flow of time, often that dream remains unfulfilled. This problem is solved by maintaining a proper balanced diet. In a short period, proper body shape can be gained with the help of milk. But a wide variety of milk is available in the market and it may be confusing which milk is a consideration for weight loss. Now let us see the benefits of milk in daily diet. Having milk in the daily diet provides us with many necessary nutrients that is beneficial for our body and thus reduces weight. Milk is rich in calcium that helps to build healthy teeth and maintain bone mass. Protein is responsible for the energy supplied to our body. Phosphorus helps the bones to remain stable. Vitamin D is also helpful for our bones. Vitamin B12 is responsible for having healthy red blood cells and nervous system. Vitamin A is essential for having a robust immune system and healthy vision. Riboflavin helps in converting food into energy. Niacin helps to digest sugar and fatty acids. All of these nutrients help to keep your body in shape with proper weight management. Now let us see the types of milk good for weight loss. Certain types of milk are perfect for losing weight. These type of milk is characterized by low fat and low sugar or no sugar traces at all. Milk responsible for weight loss are of following kinds. First is the skimmed milk, which is obtained after the removal of fat from the whole milk. It limits the calorie consumption and thus helps in losing weight. Second is soy milk, which is prepared from soya beans and is rich in protein and low in fat. Last is the almond milk, which does not contain a high amount of fat and calories like almonds. It provides heart-friendly flavonoids and also limits cholesterol. It is rich in vitamin E and usually fortified with calcium and vitamin D. It contains less quantity of sugar and is helpful for those who are allergic to soya beans. Now let us note down a simple recipe of almond milk smoothie for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 banana sliced, half cup old-fashioned oats, 1 cup chopped apple, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk and 1 teaspoon honey, that is optional. Now please note down the method to prepare. Add all the ingredients in a blender and blend it until smooth. Add honey if desired. Pour it into a glass. Garnish with chopped almonds and serve. Thus, I may conclude that almond milk is ideal for smoothies for those who are sensitive to lactose and is perfect for weight loss. You can now make amazing smoothies and add to other recipes using unsweetened almond milk without any hesitation and remain healthy. Thank you.